Good morning, folks. Today we got a very large box van Savannah thing. And my guy states that he can't put gas in it. Whoa, and it smells like weed in this one too. Damn. Oh my God. Clickety clack. I wonder what's broken. Uh-oh. Something's not right inside of there. Yeah, I bet it's got a collapsed lifter and a bent push rod. Customer states he believes he needs a clutch. In this truck. You know, because we keep fixing that and I keep redesigning it. All right, we're gonna bring this bad boy into the shop. Gotta be sneaky. There's some managers around. Don't want to get in trouble. We can't have technicians running around documenting reality. Okay. Look, the gear shifter's COVID safe. No COVID on this steering wheel. It's a hazard. Oh my God. Who does this? Today, we're gonna learn how brake clean gives you cancer. Yay! Ended up finding a leak in the condenser. They leak right here between the condenser core and the accumulator. Thermal cycling causes cracks right there at that little joint, and you know, you can see all the dye that's come out of it. So I went ahead and ordered a new one from parts. This is a GM Delco part. I unbox it. Looks pretty normal, except for the giant hole that looks like somebody cut into it with an angle grinder. This is a brand new Delco part. Better record this one. Where'd it go? There it is. Oh! Oh no! I lost my 10mm. Only you can prevent brake clean fires. For personal safety, always remember to use your latex or even nitrile gloves when working with brake clean or other unknown liquids and chemicals. Yummy. Oh, I see it. I see it. Look, 40 bucks. This is gonna be good. Oh no! Dukes of Hazzard style.
Wait, stop. The seat's connected to the door.
Oh, you gotta unlatch the seat from the door to get the door to open. Yeah. This is... Oh, hey, look, it's fixed. Okay. Well, we got a winner. Uh-oh. I feel it right here. It looks like the converter split at the weld, yeah? See right there. It's mold everywhere. The smell is horrendous in this car. More mold. Recommend having interior detailed. Wait, no, let me do it. Don't touch it. Don't. You only get one shot, because after you miss with the magnet, it's all over with. Those are the rules. All right, on to the next one. Let's see. Today my guy states, oh, that's his problem right there. Sometimes the lights don't, oh, look at that, there it goes. Sometimes the lights don't work on the AC controller. And I'm trying to get under the dash to get a look at the actuator, the mode door actuator, and I can't because I'm blinded by all the sand that continues to fall into my face. Look at that. And some cigarette ashes to go along with it. This dash is full of sand. Don't know how we did that one. See, we got mold on the outside. Bzz. Maybe if I weld it on. Bzz. Here it comes. Oh, it came off. Oh my God, look at the pan. Look at that. It's not even draining.
It's a little.
Oh, this is bad.
It's a little embarrassing.
Yeah. This lady's gonna be pissed. And he's gonna go get a wheel alignment somewhere else. It's not gonna work. So I pulled it this way, maybe trying to match the hose with the paint, and it's bent even worse in this direction. My technician senses telling me something's wrong here. Yeah. All right, so I was gonna end it right there where we just left off, but I gotta go over some speed bumps and show you guys this. This is why we're here today. I don't get it. So yeah, like I said, I gotta charge people money for this sometimes. Watch that stuff. Hey, at least you didn't get hit in the face with exploding metal drain shards from that high quality Harbor Freight oil drain that we have.
This whole thing hit the roof.
What, like this thing?
No. It flew out like that.
That's because this is Harbor Freight superior high quality, cheap as something I can't say.
Have this valve
equipment.
closed. Have this valve open.
Wow.
Just like you're supposed to.
Okay. Fifth or sixth or something attempt. Begin starting engine now. It lives. We have created life in a Ford. All right, shut it off, please.